Should I go to the hospital even if I feel fine after an accident? This is a great question. I'm often asked, when should I go to the hospital? I'm feeling fine. I don't feel anything. But what I've learned from my experience handling personal injury cases is after an accident, you're typically operating off adrenaline. You don't feel anything. You're trying to gather your bearings, try to figure out, okay, if my car is damaged, how am I going to get around? These are your first things that you're focusing on. You're not necessarily focusing on or listening to your body. What you typically see is the next morning when you wake up, your back is hurting, you're stiff, you may be a little bit dazed. And so I tell people, if you're feeling fine immediately following the accident, give yourself up to 72 hours to assess your body, how it's responding, and then go to the emergency room. Within that first 72 hours, that's when we typically would encourage individuals to go to the emergency room to be checked out, to make sure that there's not any broken bones, there's not any brain bleeds, or anything that may be hidden on the inside that you don't necessarily know. Once you get past those first 72 hours, if you're feeling just so down that you can't go about your normal day, still go to the emergency room, but there may be better specialists suited to treat you at that particular point in time. But these are things that we help discuss and help navigate with our clients. So if you have any questions, give us a call at 281-805-2220 or visit us online at verghesestexas.com.